So in this video, I'm going to share with you about some 5 editing apps which can make your video viral. I am going to tell you about these apps which are available in all mobile phones. So first is Capcut. So in this app, you get to see thousands of plus effects, 50 plus fonts and font animation background remover, and many more if you want to know more about this app. So comment Capcut course, I will make video on Capcut. The second app is a light motion. In this app, you use it the most for motion. Next one is Pinterest. In this app, you will get unlimited HD and 4K wallpapers. All the video editors also use this app for editing, and you can also download motion background in it. Fourth is Lexus audio app. So in this app, आप अपने audio को crispy, hard, soft, smooth कर सकते, and even you can remove background noise from this app. So if you want to download this app, it will available on Play Store. And last, fifth is my YouTube channel, so that you can learn editing. So subscribe for more videos.